Hi everyone, it's Tammy and I have a package here from Expression Fiber Arts, and this place, I know I've done a little haul on her before. Her name is Shandy. She owns the store. I found her via YouTube, and she is one of the sweetest YouTubers I've ever had the privilege to watch. She's so sweet and so cute, and she knits and crochets, and she owns a yarn thing, and I think I said before that I wanted to be her, and I still stand by that. She is just adorable, and I really don't want to be her. I am fine being me. I'm teasing, but she seems to be like just wonderful things surrounding her, and I just think she's adorable, and I wish her the very best. So every month she has a monthly club. These are cute. Look at this, it's a project bag. She has a monthly kit, and in January the monthly kit was a surprise, and they're always a surprise. You don't know what it is, but she sends you a picture or emails pictures and says that it's going to look something like this, and you know, if you want to order it, you can. And there was 2 to pick from this month. I don't know if that's the same way it is every month or not, but I thought, okay, this one looked really cute. And it says, "You are a star. Your truth comes from within. You need not seek it outside of yourself. In your quiet times, remember, you came to this earth to shine." January 2018, Insiders Yarn Club, expressionfiberarts.com. And I will leave that below. I'll leave the email or the website below so that you guys can shop there if you want. But her beautiful yarn is always hand dyed, and it's always comes in a hank. And this is called North Star Superwash Merino Silk Pearlescent Worsted, and that just means like it's a medium weight. And I like the pearlescent; it's beautiful. It says to use a US 6 to 10 size knitting needle, or a crochet hook size G through J. Hand wash, lie flat to dry. So look at how beautiful this is. This is everything I wanted it to be, because I really like the purple and blue together. If you guys have watched me for a while, you'll know that those are some of my favorites. And these are the little things that hold the hank together. These aren't mess ups in the yarn. It's just beautiful yarn. And I love the blue and the purple, and it feels so good. Now you can order more than one. They are kind of expensive. These are definitely the most expensive hanks that I've purchased. I think that the club is $32 a month, and you don't have to do it every month. It's just you sign up each month that you want it. So it was $32 in January. If I decide to do it in February when that comes around, I may do it then too. I don't know, but so, and she has ideas of what you can do with one skein too, which is kind of nice. And I like that this is a little bit thicker than some of the others. I like working with thicker yarn just because I'm not so great yet, but it is beautiful, and I really am excited to use it. So there's that. And then this month came with an exclusive pen. Look how cute, or pin, sorry, look how cute that is. A little crochet gal, or knit. Why do I say crochet gal? It's a little knitter gal. Actually, it does have 2 sticks, and then and I don't know if maybe the crochet one only has 1. I don't know. Little yarn earrings and everything. Super cute. That's adorable. So there's that. And then I also got 2 kits because I wanted to try my hand at one of the kits that she had. And this is a beginner knitted scarf pattern. Oh goodness, and look, it comes with everything. Even sticks. How about that? So, oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. And this is a beginner knitted scarf pattern. Tools needed. US size 8 needles, 1 skein of yarn, and then it says to cast on 25 stitches using the long cast method, knit every stitch, bind off, and then for complete instructions it tells you where to look online to get them, and then it makes this beautiful knitted scarf. And look how pretty that is, and this yarn is gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. It is called White Tiger. And the pictures that she has associated with each yarn are amazing, because just when I saw that, I remember seeing the white tiger, and I'm like, oh yeah. It's so cool. So I don't know what the other color I got was. We shall see. And I like having a project bag because then you can put each project in the bag, you know, just like it says. Like if you're working on something and you want to take it somewhere, I think it's handy to have a little bag to take it. Ooh, this one's pretty too. And it's the same one. It's the knitted scarf. I thought that, oh no, it's not. I lied. This is a cowl. I thought I got two of one. This is the beginner's. Oh, this is a crochet infinity scarf. Look at me. I'm going crazy. I even got a crochet hook. Oh, look at me. Awesome. And this is in the color Velvet Snowflake. And her yarn is just so beautiful, soft. I mean, yarn is just beautiful anyway. I'm newfound love for sure. I forgot that I had ordered a crochet kit. I thought I'd ordered two of the same thing because I thought, well, maybe I'll just make one for somebody. But that would be kind of silly unless I just wanted to buy the yarn. But how about that? I'll have to learn how to crochet now. I have to, right? All right, guys, so that's what I got, and I hope that you guys like it, and that is that. Check her store out. Thanks. Bye-bye.